Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just started a video without you guys being on, which is crazy. So anyway, let me start again a little bit. I ordered something from Hayden Rowe Candle Company, and I love this candle company. This is not the first time I've used it, but everything always comes so nicely packaged. She had this beautiful striped black and white tissue paper, which is kind of her trademark, and I needed some new candles for the spring. So I found a bunch of different scents that I liked, and she also does these wonderful samples. So I got 3 different samples, and then I got a cute sticker. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. A beautiful, well, not beautiful, but well, it is nice. It's a very classy looking business card. And then she sent me some Post-it notes. So it is early. It is 4:30 in the morning, and I know I have no makeup on, but I'm not giving any excuses. This is what it is when I wake up, and I just had a ton of things to start unboxing, and I thought that I would go ahead and do that because I need to, and I need to get the day started. So if I sit down and, start watching TV or something, this would be even more delayed. So why not just start? So this is called My 80s Barber. And I've already smelled all of these, so I know what they smell like. But it is fabulous. This one reminds me of like Salon Selective's hairspray and a little like clean scent mixed. It's very good. And these sample sizes I love to take to work and burn there, so that will be a nice one to do that with. And this one is called Ditzy Blonde. And it's a cute little yellow rubber ducky. I don't know if you guys saw the little rubber ducky and the other one, but all of these samples are rubber duckies. Adorable. Oh, this one smells so good. It's very lemony and a little bit maybe Fruit Loopy. So it smells yum. And this last one is Peeps. And it's a pink peep, which is my favorite. And smells so good. Oh, smells just like the sugary, sweet marshmallow candy that they are. I love them. And then I also got just the wax melts, and I like to use these in my burners. So this one is called Amish Country. I got 2 of these, and they are $2 a piece. And this smells so good. It is kind of like the scent that you would smell a little bit like the scent you smell when you go to like a craft store, but it's a lot more subtle. It's more like going to a convention center where they're having like a big craft whatever, and they have those roasted almonds toasting, and then the smell of the cinnamon and oh, that's what it smells like. I can totally smell the roasting almonds. Oh my gosh, no wonder I like that so much. And then I also got a fresh air one, which, surprise, surprise, smells like a breath of fresh air. It literally does. It is amazing. Oh, it's just nice. Very clean, fresh. And then I have a Barbershop 1920s. And this one reminds me of my grandpa a little bit of my dad. It's a very classic, fresh scent, not overpowering, not very strong, but a subtle, clean, and aftershavey kind of a scent. And then the last one that I smelled without you guys was this Blackberry Lime, and it's 2 colors, and it smells so good. Something on it. It's a very clean lime smell, and then the blackberry comes at the end. It is a very nice scent. I like this one a lot. Okay, so then let's see what else I have in here. A toasted marshmallow, and I'm just gonna, I crossed them off on my list to make sure that I have them all, and I don't know, just because. Toasted marshmallow, and it looks like it's a 2 color too. It has the white and then the caramel color. Oh, that does smell like a toasted marshmallow. Very nice, very nice. Love it. And this one is blackberry jam butter cookies. 2 colored. Oh, that smells really good. I don't know if it's the butter that I'm picking up on that makes it smell kind of fresh. Does that make any sense? Oh, the blackberry is definitely there and it smells really good. And then there's something that makes it smell like fresh or clean a little bit. And that's a good one. And then I have one that's called British Barber. I don't know what makes that different. And then it's 2 colored. This is way more subtle. I might actually take it out. Huh, I smell a little bit of lime maybe. Maybe I'm just making that up because of the green color, but it's very good. It's just very subtle. I don't know what the, and these haven't been melted yet, so this is just the dry scent. And sometimes they smell a lot different and a lot more throw when they are burning. So this is just the initial. And then pink cotton candy. This is not my first time getting this. I love this scent. And I think she does a good job of getting a good cotton candy smell, which I think, personally, I feel like that's hard to find. So pink cotton candy. Oh, where's that one? Oh, there it is. And I should have gotten 2 of those, so I'll find another one. Then I got caramelized pralines, which I think I'd gotten before. I got 2 of these. Yeah, it is fabulous. It smells like caramelized pralines. Oh, so good. Man of Steel. Oh, that's interesting. It's very clean and fresh. And it's kind of cologne-y, but a light cologne. It's very nice. I like this one a lot. It's like a nice cologne, but not like they sprayed a million spritz on them, but it's nice. And I didn't mention, these are $2 a piece. They sometimes are more expensive, but she'll have sales, and I think $2 is a great deal because these are huge compared to other wax melts. I mean, you get a substantial amount. So you can use them for, I've used them up to 3 days, I think, maybe even 4, but 3 days is probably the longest, but 2 for sure. So it's kind of like getting 2 melts for the price of 1. If you burn 1 a day, kind of, that's how I usually do it. And I got 2 of the Barbershop 1920s, so there's 2 of those. And then Gain Lavender Pine. Oh, I'm excited to try this. That is very nice. So it does, I smell the lavender and the pine and the clean. So there you go. That's what it is. Gain Lavender Pine. That's very nice. And Apple Blossom Cotton Candy. It's another 2-toned. I definitely smell the apple blossom. And that's a nice scent. I'm not a big, huge apple fan, but this is more like the tree or the flower, the apple flower. It's very pretty. I'm not smelling the cotton candy too much, but that's probably an undertone. So, I mean, it's very nice. There's not one of these that I wouldn't recommend. I mean, you're going to like them. This one is Campfire. I mean, if you like the scent. Oh my gosh, this smells like a campfire. I mean, it almost seems like this should be smoking because it smells like a campfire. That is awesome. I am loving this one. This is very nice. Did I only get 1? Yep, I only got 1. I might have to repurchase that one. This one is Mandarin Day Spa. Another two-toned with orange and yellow. Oh, that smells really good. I do smell the citrus, and then I also smell like it's just fresh and clean. So there you go. There's, I mean, that's kind of a Mandarin Day spa. And then I have a second layer, so let's see. Here's my second cotton candy one. And this one is called Carnival. And it is like a triple decker. Now this one smells a little bit like apple, which again I'm not huge on, so I'm going to turn this over. I smell mostly apple, but there is an undertone of like caramel. So maybe it's like the candied apples. I don't know, like maybe some foods that you would find on the carnival or on at a carnival. And it's good. It's not one of my favorites, but certainly definitely usable. Caramelized pralines. Black Sea Barber. I was really looking for some fresh scents when I was looking, so that's why I have so many of these. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, whew, excuse me. Oh, that's very nice. I like this one. I might like this one the best. I don't know, the 1920s one. Oh, this is really good. It kind of even smells a little bit like salt air, too. So maybe that's where it gets the sea. Gosh, they name their their waxes very well because it does smell like that. Oh, Black Sea Barber. Another Carnival. Beach Pine and Cabana are all that's left. Okay, so here's the Beach Pine, and it's a pretty color, like a teal. I expected to smell more pine, and I'm not. There it is. Oh, that's nice. So it's a kind of an undertone of the pine. I expected it to be like more hit you in the face, the pine scent, but the beach scent hits you more in the face than the pine. They're both, I mean, it's a good combination, but yeah, I don't know why I'm saying but. There's no but. This is Cabana, two-toned. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, this smells very crisp and clean, and I don't know, Cabana reminds me of like the ocean, but I'm not picking that up with this one. I'm not picking up like the suntan lotion scent at all, which is nice because sometimes that's a little too much for me, but I like this a lot. The little case is broken just a little bit. So yeah, I don't know what this smells like exactly, but it smells good. I keep going back at it. I don't know, but it's very clean and refreshing, and it's very nice. I like this scent a lot. So that is what I got. I hope that you guys try her out. Hayden Rowe Candle Company. She is fabulous, and yeah, I'll leave her link below. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.